In this video, I will guide you how to change cursor color in Microsoft Word. Keep in mind, Microsoft Word does not have a direct option to change the cursor color inside the Word, but you can adjust the colors using the Windows settings, and here's how you can do that. So go to the search icon and type mouse setting, and here you will be see mouse setting. Click on that, and you need to click on the right side related setting, adjust mouse and cursor size. Click on that, and here you can see that the different colors are available. You can select any of your favorite color and click the plus, and here you can see that you can even expand more and use the ratio of the RGB colors and HSV colors. Once you select your favorite colors, click done, and here these are the pointer color. This is the white, and this is the black, and this is the inverted, and this is the custom colors. So it's up to you which color you use. So I'm happy with this, so click close it, and now go back to the Word and type whatever you want. So this way you can easily change cursor color in Microsoft Word or in the Windows. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.